The excavator was stuck all the way up to its cabin. No small challenge without a powerful machine like a digger to pull and lift it out. After several failed attempts to recover the excavator, they decided to bring in a giant for the rescue. This time they succeeded. Unbelievable! A Shinui bulldozer fell into a pond, and technical experts had to step in to help. In a hard-to-reach area, even the excavator, usually the go-to machine for rescue operations, was unable to pull the bulldozer out. This time, they were forced to use a crane to lift the bulldozer back to shore. Welcome to my latest video. In this video, we will witness the impressive power of construction machinery. The bulldozer encountered an issue while moving through the wet soil and got stuck. But what's special is that the Kobelco Sewing K200 excavator appeared just in time to pull it out in a spectacular fashion. When a 20-ton excavator is no longer operational, moving it becomes a serious challenge. To get it out of the work area, they had to use 2 other excavators to pull it. The process required advanced skills and close coordination between the machines. The JCB was stuck so deep in the mud that it could barely move. Do you think a tractor could pull it to shore? It's possible, but it would require perfect coordination between both machines. Let's see if they can successfully pull the machine out.
Come on, babe. Oh, it's so close.
The machine had completely stopped working, and getting it onto a trailer to be taken for repairs was a real challenge. It was the KWW 900 truck that handled the task, working under incredibly difficult conditions, full of tension, and requiring precise coordination between the 2 excavators in the truck.
I'm gonna try to shove it. Yeah, making more progress. Uh-oh. Hey, here we go. Wow, how they gonna get that up on there?
Look at that price getting back there.
Yes, sticky mud can make the job difficult at all times. It clogs the tire treads, rendering them useless and turning the tires into smooth, slippery surfaces. Perhaps the grader won't be able to continue working on this challenging ground, even after being rescued twice. The Thais have an effective method for pulling excavators when they get stuck. They use a simple winch system to generate powerful pulling force. Of course, digging a supporting trench is also a necessary step, and this method is often used here when there is no machinery available for assistance.
สลิงติดกับต้นไม้ด้านหน้าครับ มาแล้ว
Perhaps this was a rare situation, but it might have happened because the operator lacked experience, causing the bulldozer to get bogged down. Normally we see bulldozers rescuing trucks, but today it was the other way around. And this time the bulldozer was successfully rescued. Struggling to maintain traction, the vehicle got stuck in the mud. After several attempts, it was finally rescued, but the mud trench was very deep. The rain halted the work, but no equipment was damaged. The ladder was removed to prevent damage, then reattached after this successful rescue.
Oh, there's just a hole here. We're even up on elevator. If you want, Scott, I'll give him the motions. You can drop the pin in it. Where's the pin? That's officially probably our second worst stuck moment with the Big Bud. It was just bizarre there how it was parked, or at least that 100 foot of cable we had put me in a spot that was still kind of muddy. So you can see the rain's coming.
A Lugong wheel loader got stuck in the mud while carrying out a rescue mission for the operator of a Komatsu PC 210 excavator. Any machine can get stuck during operation, but good skills will help you overcome such challenges quickly. In the chaotic scene, an excavator was deployed to carry out tasks that other machines couldn't handle. Like a silent giant, it quickly and successfully pulled both the truck and the bulldozer, completing the mission in an impressive manner. bulldozer got stuck in the swamp. The rescue with the excavator nearly faced the same situation. This road is truly a nightmare for all types of machinery, including the excavator.
กลับไปชมกันต่อนะครับ อยู่กับทีมงานศักดิ์ประพัฒน์ไปแล้วครับกูอยู่ด้านหลังขึ้นหรือเปล่า
An excavator rescued a cement mixer stuck in the mud in a highly tense situation. It had to pull the truck until the bucket broke. In the slippery terrain, the truck was too heavy and could only move thanks to the powerful pulling force of the excavator.
ตัวสลิงขาดครับหลบอยู่ห่างๆก่อนนี่ครับดึงออกมาแล้วครับปอดพักเดือดมาก
I truly appreciate the skills of the excavator operator. With his extensive experience, instead of attempting to pull directly with force, he cleverly dug a trench around the stuck area. This method reduced the friction of the soil, making it much easier and more effective to pull the machine out. The coal truck flipped over, and the way they righted it was by using a winch to pull it. I guess this was a powerful landing, which could have caused further damage to the truck. However, the tools they had were limited in this remote area, and this was the quickest solution they could manage. The Sani SY215C unfortunately sank into the mud right before my eyes while attempting to rescue the SY200C. Ironically, during the rescue mission, it became the next victim. Now both excavators are stuck solid. I can't help but wonder, is the next disaster approaching? Will there be another failure in this chain of incidents? Perhaps a bulldozer was stationed to pull the fully loaded trucks, as they frequently got stuck due to the freshly moved earth, and especially because the trucks were overloaded and heavy. It acted like a second machine, providing support for these trucks. A roller duck in the mud is truly a rare sight. This happens because rollers are not designed to operate on soft, unstable soil. With its structure and shape, it easily gets stuck and sinks as soon as it comes into contact with the mud. The scene of recovering the trailer from the rice harvester truly excited me to the point of trembling. A truck carrying 2 harvesters plunged straight into the field. Such a tragic sight. Although there were no casualties, the property was severely damaged.
Backhand.
The sight of 2 excavators moving through the swamp was thrilling. The skills he had learned were now being applied to this situation, proving him to be a skilled operator. Every move reflected confidence and experience in his work.
Need some wide tracks.
You can't underestimate a rice harvester when it gets stuck in the mud. Its pulling power is impressive, and its tracks outperform even a tractor. After just a few strong pulls, the stuck tractor was successfully rescued.
What?
Xin chào tất cả các bạn đã quay trở lại với channel của Thái Dương TV. Hôm nay thì Thái Dương TV xin rồi nó vô sát mé rồi đó các bạn. Bây giờ là cái tài này kéo vô.
The video captures the rescue journey of 3 excavators that were overturned in the water. The Mitsubishi 450 couldn't start due to severe damage. After repairs, the rescue team successfully pulled the 07 vehicle out, but the machine was heavily damaged and required a new engine and parts.
Cũng không xịn kìa.
Working on this type of terrain is extremely dangerous and always carries risks. The ground is soft and prone to landslides, which can lead to accidents like a bulldozer overturning. It happened near the dam area, and fortunately, the excavator managed to pull the bulldozer out in time. Had it been any slower, the bulldozer might have been swept away by the current.
YouTube.
Nossa! Barra cortou e levou. Desligado, hein? Vai vendo? Acho que ela pensou. Olha, rapaz, tira a chave.
This is a rice harvester in Thailand that got stuck in the field and had to be pulled out by an excavator. I truly understand how the farmer must have felt. When a machine gets stuck, it can take hours to rescue it, delaying their work and causing significant losses.